When COVID hit, we knew one thing that couldn't stop was our essential workforce, was our first responders, EMTs, and military members. They were not going to stop. They were going to continue to help people, and they're being called no matter what, and they're responding to us, even in the most dangerous of circumstances.
For ambulances and first responder vehicles, where the people that are rushing to scenes to save lives in these enclosed spaces that typically have stale air. In public transportation, there's no way to effectively address this virus without treating the air inside that vehicle all day long.
We look for a solution to help enforce their clean cab initiatives that would allow firefighters, that would allow military members, and first responder EMTs to be able to exist in an environment.
In a first responder setting, whether it be a fire truck or an ambulance, UV PHI system contains catalyst as well as a blower. These units pull air in from one side over the active air purification system and out the other side. The water vapor molecules pass over the catalyst. They are ionized and create hydrogen peroxide molecules from the water vapor molecules naturally occurring in the air. Once the hydrogen peroxide molecules are created by the catalyst, activated by the UV light, the blower itself will transport those molecules, which are able to then kill any pathogens, viruses, bacteria that might be in that first responder vehicle.
This technology addresses not only COVID-19, it addresses bacterial and viral pathogens.
We have a product here that will create a much cleaner cab environment and will alleviate a lot of the risks that they're facing as they respond to our emergencies.
Giving them the right environment where they can breathe safe air can help to save lives.